Good day, class. Ang lesson po natin ngayon is all about the properties of pure substance and mixture. Last time we talked about elements and compounds as well as a mixture. Okay? So today we were going to discuss ano bang pinagkaiba ng mga bagay na yun. Ano ba pinagkaiba ng pure substance at saka mixture or mixed substance. So the title for this lesson is Mixi Puri. So, una nating pag-uusapan is ano ba yung pure substance? Ano ba yung mga properties niya? So, in this lesson po, dapat unawaan ninyo yung dalawang bagay. Una, maintindihan ninyo kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng mixture at saka pure substance. Ano yung component ng isang mixture. Ikalawa, at ma-identify natin yung mga bagay-bagay kung siya ba ay isang mixture o siya ba ay isang pure substance sa pamamagitan ng mga description na babanggitin ko mamaya. So, we have a question here. Why do you think fruit juice have a different taste? Bakit daw may iba't ibang lasa ang fruit juice? Most likely kasi ang fruit juice ay may iba't ibang ingredients. Halimbawa, pag sinabi mong orange fruit juice, most likely ang kanyang component ay merong orange. Pag sinabi mong grape juice, most likely ang kanyang component ay merong grape. Okay? So, sa pamamagitan nito, scientists can find useful things to describe matters in terms of its composition. So, ibig sabihin, yung fruit juice pwedeng magamit natin para ma-describe yung isang bagay. 'Di ba? Parehas naman silang juice, parehas naman silang gawa sa tubig at saka sa powder, but they are different because of their composition. So that's how can we classify mixtures and pure substance. So, ano bang meron ang pure substance na wala ang mixtures? Ano ba yung mga examples ng mga bawat isa? So, yun yung mga pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw na ito. So, mag-start tayo sa pure substance. Pag sinabi natin pure substance, ito'y nagpa-pertain sa salitang pure. Pag sinabi natin pure, puro, walang halo. Parang champion lang, yung commercial ng champion, di ba? Puro, walang halo. So, pag sinabi natin pure substance, ito yung bagay na kung saan puro siya, hindi siya mixture ng kung ano-anong bagay. Okay? The composition of pure substance is always the same no matter what form it has. So, one good example ng pure substance, so para ma-determine natin kung ano ba yung mga pure substance, one good clue is a pure substance most likely are only two things. Una, element or compound. Kapag ang isang substance ay compound, most likely siya ay pure substance. Kapag ang isang bagay or substance ay element, most likely siya po ay pure substance. Here are some examples of pure substance. So we have sugar. Ang sugar ay pure substance. Hindi naman siya combination ng iba't ibang bagay. Although it is a compound. Ano yung compound? Combination siya ng two or more elements such as carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. But they are chemically combined or pinagsama sila chemically. Hindi mo sila pwedeng basta-basta mapaghiwalay. So therefore, they are a pure substance. Okay? Gold is an example of pure substance. By the way, not all gold are pure substance. Pure gold lang po ang pure substance. Hindi po yung tindahan na. Pure gold lang po ang pure substance. Kasi kadalasan ng mga gold, halimbawa yung jewelry na ginagamit natin, di ba meron kayo narinig 14 karat, 24 karat, 18 karat. Ibig sabihin po nun, may halo na silang ibang metal. Kasi po ang gold masyadong malambot. So shiny but it is too malleable or masyado siyang malambot. Kaya po hinahaluan siya ng ibang bakal or na ibang metal para po maging matibay siya or maging matigas siya. So that's why ang gold ay pure substance kapag ka-pure lang. Pero kapag yung mga jewelry, meron na pong halo yun. Another example of pure substance are salt, NaCl, chlorine, iodine. So lahat po ng nasa periodic table, automatic yun, pure substance. Di ba, pinagawa ko sa inyo with regards sa periodic table last time. So, lahat ng mga elements na nandoon, automatic yun, pure substance. And, kadalasan din, lahat ng compound ay pure substance po. Water is a pure substance. Okay? Now, ano naman yung mixture? Pag sinabi natin mixture, it consists of two or more substances that mix together but not chemically combined. Pinagsama sila pero hindi sila chemically combined. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo pa sila mapaghiwalay. Okay? So, individual substance in a mixture keep separate properties. So, kadalasan sa isang mixture, kalagaya na ng pinag-usapan natin last week, pwede mo pa silang makita or pwede mo pa mapaghiwalay. Okay? Kadalasan, they do not contain the same amount of different substances that compose them. So, kadalasan, yung hinalo mo sa kanila ay pwede mo pang mapag-separate. So, ito naman yung mga example ng mixture. As long as they are not chemically combined, they are considered as mixture. Now, let's try this. I want you to do this. Di ba pinag-prepare ko kayo ng isang basong tubig at saka ng isang kutsara ng asukal. I want you to do this by yourselves. Okay? So, dalawa lang po naman yung materials yan. Glass of water at saka sugar. So, I hope you're prepared now. Now, I want you to do these three things first. Okay? And then we will going to try to answer these critical questions on your notebook. So, sasagutan po ninyo itong mga critical questions na to sa notebook ninyo. Okay? Once you done these three procedures natin. First procedure, drink a half glass of water. So, di ba, pinakuha ko ng punong baso. Inumin po ninyo yung kalahating tubig doon or kalahating basong tubig. Okay? Once you done that, next, kuha kayo ng sugar doon sa isang kutsara ninyo sugar. Kuha kayo ng pinch or kurot doon and then tikman po ninyo yung sugar. Once na magawa nyo na po yung first two procedures, yung natitirang sugar po, ihalo ninyo dun sa glass of water. Okay? Ihalo po ninyo sa glass of water. Then, once you're done that, let's try to answer this critical thinking question. So, sa pagsagot po sa notebook, kahit hindi na-copy yung answer, ang gawin nyo na lang po, sulat ninyo, critical thinking questions, 1, 2, 3. Sagot na lang po. Okay? Critical thinking questions number 1. Is there any other taste aside from the flat taste of water in step 1? Is it pure substance or mixture? What do you think? Water is pure substance or a mixture? Write your answer on nung tinikman nyo ba yung tubig, meron pa bang ibang lasa bukod sa flat taste of water? Nung yung sa first sa procedure 1, yung ininom nyo yung kalahating tubig, pwede pong Tagalog ang sagot ha. Lagay na lang po sa notebook yung sagot. Is it pure substance or a mixture? Okay? Critical thinking question number 2. What is the taste of sugar in step 2? Anong lasa daw ng sugar? Is there any other taste aside from its taste? Meron pa ba kayong nalasahan bukod sa kung ano talaga lasa ng sugar? Ang sugar ba ay pure substance or a mixture? So, sagutan lang po doon. Number 3. Describe what happens to sugar in step 3. Anong nangyari sa sugar nung hinalo ninyo sa tubig? Andun pa rin ba yung sugar? Nawala ba siya? What happened? And then, do you think is it a pure substance or a mixture? Yung pinaghalong sugar at saka tubig. Is that a pure substance or a mixture? Kindly answer all of this on the notebook po. Now, here are the difference of pure substance and mixtures in a nutshell. So, it is made of identical we are talking about pure substance naman. Made up of identical properties or particles, have definite set of properties. All properties are the same all throughout. Made of atom of two or more elements. Ibig sabihin, made of elements siya. Okay? Cannot be separated physically. Hindi mo pwede mapaghiwalay. And then they have a fixed melting point or boiling point. Next, made of identical particles. Non-identical particles, ibig sabihin hindi magkaparehong substance. Okay? Wala siyang parehong properties, yung dalawang bagay na pinagalo mo. It is made up of two or more substances. And then, pwede mo siyang mapaghiwalay physically means they do not have fixed melting point and boiling point. Now, let's see if you understand the lesson. So, another activity that you are going to do this time. So, pagtapos nung sinagutan nyo kanina, lagay naman po A. Then, numbers 1 to 15. You will just put the number or the letter of the correct answer. So, PS kapag ka pure substance and M for the mixture. So, lalagay nyo, answer only. Okay? 1 to 15. So, lagay nyo A and then numbers 1 to 15. So, is it pure substance or a mixture? So, number 1 or 1 to 5. Pakisagutan po. I will give you 1 minute to answer 1 to 5 and then another minute to answer the next slide and then another 1 minute for the next slide. So, go. Answer only on your notebook. Number 1, is it PS or M? So, basahin maigi yung description and then tingin nyo ano ba siya? Pure substance or mixture?
Sir, up to 15 po yan. 1 to 5 lang.
Tapos na, sir.
Tapos na po, sir. Sir. Tapos na po, sir.
Next slide.
Tapos na, sir.
Tapos na po, sir. Tapos na po, sir. Tapos na po, sir.
Next slide.
Tapos na po, sir. Tapos na po, sir. Tapos na po, sir.
Done po, sir.
Okay, so next. check your understanding. So here are the compare and contrast for pure substance and mixture. Yung ginawa po ninyo activity, we will check that. I will going to check that once you are posted that on the FB page po natin. So later I will going to discuss the instruction. So compare and contrast. The next thing that we will going to talk about is the comparing and contrast of pure substance and mixture. So here are the similarities, yung nasa gitna. Pag nakita nyo yung both, ibig sabihin pareha sila sa pure substance and mixture. PS, it means it only occurs in pure substance, and then mixture M, it only means that it only occurs in mixture. Okay, now I want you to screenshot this because the next activity that you are going to do ay kasama po ito. Okay, screenshot nyo po. Okay. The next activity that you're going to do is this. So I want you to do the Venn diagram. So ano ba itong Venn diagram na to? So ilalagay nyo po dun sa isang circle ang mga pure substance. Then sa isa pang circle, ilalagay nyo naman yung mga properties ng mixture. Tapos, kung may papansin ninyo, may nakikita kayong overlapping portion ng dalawang circle, doon naman nilalagay ninyo or isusulat po ninyo yung mga karakteristik na parehong meron sa pure substance at saka mixture. Okay? So, yun po ang gagawin ninyo sa sunod, yun ang gagawin nyo ngayong activity. Okay? And here is another. So, later na yun. Ito muna tayo. Ito muna po ang pagtuunan ng pansin. Later na yon. So, put check on the correct box to classify the following if this mixture or pure substance. Ito po, write nyo na lang po kung pure substance ba siya or mixture. Hindi na check. So, lagyan nyo lang po ng pure substance or mixture. Kung tingin nyo yung mga bagay na to ay pure substance or mixture. 1 to 10 po ito. I will give you 2 minutes to answer. Go.
Sir, copy and answer po.
Hindi na po, number na lang. So, C, and then 1 to 10.
Done na po, sir.
Wait lang.
Wait lang po, sir. Di pa po tapos. Yan na po, sir. Tapos na po.
Next.
Lahat tapos, sir.
Okay. So, next, I want you to complete this phrase po. So, baba din. In this lesson, I learned about. Kompletuhin po. Okay. So, that's the end of our lesson for today.